Hello. I just woke up. Good afternoon, good evening, good morning. I want to show you guys what is this plants. How pretty they are. My husband bought it for me for my Valentine's gift. See? See this one? He knows that I like it. We came to Myers, ano? We came to Myers.
Yeah.
Oh. And then I seen those plants over there. Especially this one, and I told him I want this. And then he asked me, "Did you look at the price?" Because he seen the price right away. And then when I look at it, it's 60 something. And then I bought one for me. See? Pretty one, huh? Nice one here. With the yellow flowers. Is there flowers? With a yellow. It's a unique flowers. What kind this one? This one. I have this already, but I don't have the bigger like this. See? There we go. So is it that pretty, guys? This one, I don't know what it is, but it looks like a pineapple. Honey, this is not a pineapple.
No, they have little pineapples here.
Maybe this was a pineapple.
No, they have little pineapples there. With little pineapples on them.
For real?
Yeah.
Looks like a pineapple and ready to have a flowers. I don't know, but this was something in the leaves. I hope there's no bugs get in the house. Yeah, pretty, huh? Pretty, pretty, pretty. It's pretty, guys. I like plants inside the house. But this one, I bought this one. I have this in the Philippines, see? And the inside, yeah, look at the inside. Look like getting died. This one's getting pretty outside. I got too many over there, so. But that one, this is looking pretty. Put it on the table. Messy house. Well, thank you, Han, for the early Valentine's gift. Yeah. I'd rather have that one than the money. Alright, that's all.